It's so cute.
Off. Off.
Oh, Lexion.
Let go. Did he pee on me? No.
It is mad tempting to keep him. He's a pretty cool squirrel.
Oh.
And he's a squirrel.
Do you feed him with a baster?
I gave him a little water with the baster.
Did he drink it?
Yeah, but then he ended up just drinking out of the bowl anyway, so.
You should just call a lady and be like, we're thinking of keeping it.
Okay. Yeah, I don't know.
Like, what if the shelter sucks? Like, what if instead of big pens of mulch, it's just like little cages?
No, I think they're pretty good. They like